Yo, what's up, team? Hope you're all having a great time. It's giveaway time today, and yeah, I had a crazy week, and I'm a little bit jiggle. I couldn't trade today. I was changing things in my office, you know, and had some friends over here. One of my best friends, Lucas, he had a birthday, so we drank some beers on a Monday. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, we having fun. But for tomorrow and the day after tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, yeah, I will be prepared for the markets. So send you some trades and we're gonna make some money. Okay, now let's hop into the giveaway straight away. We need a YouTube comment picker. Alright, so we had this video with around 510 comments. Let's see what we got over here. Many cool comments. Really love reading it. So yeah, I saw some haters in the comment section, and I love you guys as well. Just keep commenting my videos. I really like that. If you have no idea about what I do, then just waste your time on my channel and drop some comments, man. I appreciate that. Okay, we have 315 unique commenters. Now let's raffle them and see who's the winner. And yeah, what will you win? Okay, Irina, you win. Irina pays, you won. And let's say you won $200 for a trading account. Is that cool? Drop me a message at Telegram. Show me that it's your YouTube account. Drop me your PayPal address, and then I will send you $200 straight to your PayPal. And hopefully you're already in the inner circle. If not, then you should get in, and then we're gonna talk, and then I will help you to compound that money. This is what we can do. Alright, so let's pick another winner. The next winner gets what he gets. Dan. Oh, Dan. You already won the $500 plus the Genius Trading Masterclass course, if I remember the last giveaway. What we gonna do with you today? I would say you get another $200, but you got the option to send me a message and split the bill with someone else, so I will start another raffle. Okay, you got the choice. I will give you the choice. I know you've already won some money in the inner circle. This is what I believe. So yeah, drop me a message, and yeah, let me know if you want to have the $200 or if you want to split the bill and make someone else happy. Alright? Because I got some people in mind who are from South Africa, who are a little bit short on budget, you know, and maybe we can arrange something to help someone out who really needs it. Alright? Okay, and yeah, let's pick another winner. Let's see who we got. Oh, this is just for the one video. Man, I'm dropping so much money on this one video. What's going on? Winner is AD. Oh man. Alright, bro, what we gonna do with you, man? I don't know if you are already in the inner circle, but I will give you the inner circle lifetime membership plus Genius Trading Masterclass course for free today, man. It's your day. I hope you're not inside yet, so now you're inside. Yeah, drop me a message, show me that it's your YouTube account, and then let's hop to the other videos. Alright, so this one we already had. Now let's pick the next one. Let's see how many commenters we got over here. We got 222 commenters. Okay, I will pick one winner who gets $200 straight to his trading account. Gododo, you got it. All right, show me that's your YouTube account, and then yeah, we fix the rest. Send me your PayPal, email, and all that stuff, and then we're gonna fix it. Congratulations, my man. Thank you for your support. Okay, now we take the next one. Got some comments over here as well. So let's see what we got over here. How many unique commenters we got? 193 unique commenters, and the winner can win the Genius Trading Masterclass course if he's not already inside. Okay, you get the Genius Trading Masterclass course plus the Inner Circle lifetime membership in our group chat, where you can connect to all traders from all around the world who are part of our team, who help each other out, who trade together, share ideas together, and just get the cake together, you know. This is what it's all about. And for all of you who are not familiar with the Genius Trading Masterclass, guys, you need to check this site, genius-trading.thinkific.com/courses/GTO Masterclass, or just type in genius-trading.com and you will land on this site. Check the course curriculum, check what's inside. We have this rich split money management system, the legendary rich split money management system, where all my traders who really know how to use it, they making extraordinary amounts of money with this shit. All right, you really need to check it out, and you will learn all the basics and everything, how to set up a trading strategy, how to get inspired, how to set goals. Like, we have a big mindset part inside of that as well, to get you into the right mindset, to really think like a trader, to become a real trader. We just go over everything that is really impossible to understand this candlestick game, you know. And this is what inside for you. You should listen to me, check out what I've wrote on this side, check some customer feedbacks. I have some customer feedbacks on my YouTube channel as well. Just check out the School of Genius Rafael Pablos on YouTube. Just scroll to the trading highlights. You can get a lot of free knowledge as well over there. I explain how I take some trades and stuff like that, how I manage my positions. You will learn something about hedging and all that stuff. And of course, we got the feedback session with some of my students, and I will run another giveaway for just the Inner Circle members, where they can give me a really true, honest feedback, and I will make the giveaway for them as well, so that they have something from that. So they help me and I help them, you know. And this is what we do. We're making money in the market, and I'm gonna help you guys make money as well. And hopefully see you inside. I'm sorry to look like that today, like shit. I mean, the weekend was really crazy. Had a lot of party, but the last weeks were amazing. So I had to do something. I had to party. When you do something really great, if you have good results, like last week was a roller coaster ride, but I still made 250,000. The weeks before that was like crazy amounts of money. Were my best months in terms of money wise, not return of investment wise. I mean, like last week I made 5%. That's great. Like 5% per week is great. Make 20% per month. Just calculate the compound interest. If you make 20% per month on average, how fast can you get from $500 to $1 million? Use the compound calculator and just calculate it and see how long it takes to really get to a big amount like that if you keep compounding your account. This is what risk management is all about. You always need to know how much you risk percentage wise, okay? So then you can play with the numbers, and if you're using the rich split, you can make a lot more money. I wish you a great trading week, guys, and I will keep you updated with trades in the free group as well, but I send all my trades to my students in the Inner Circle. So see you inside, guys, and have a great week. Peace out.
Fly me to the moon. Forget what you know. Every now and then, why you falling in